Hello, I'm going to be demoing our Google Earth Enterprise Platform plugin for TAC applications. We call this our Jeep plugin. I'm installing it here in WinTAK with a drag and drop of the plugin file. And with this plugin, we can import both local portable files and streaming sources from a Jeep server. For local portable files, no server/service setup is required. It's quick and easy. Just import/register the file with TAK. With WinTAK, it can even be dragged and dropped. So here I've imported a local portable file of the Grand Canyon area. Jeep supports visualization of satellite imagery, terrain, and vector content. Using these local portable files is useful for disconnected/offline use cases. Jeep supports large files which can be terabyte sized. The size is mostly only bound by what the hardware and file system can support. And this Grand Canyon source also contains terrain data, so we can use WinTAK's terrain tools to be able to better visualize that terrain data. And go ahead and move around different angles, different altitudes, and see the data, see what areas we are interested in. It also integrates with elevation tools as well, so we can view the heat map or use the view shed, and we can better visualize that terrain data. Okay, so Jeep also lets us register Jeep servers with TAK and discover what databases and shared portable files exist on that server. So when we register a Jeep server, we'll get a listing of those portable files that can be downloaded, which can be used for disconnected/offline use cases. Streaming sources can also be registered and streamed live from the server, which are listed below the portable files, without needing to download the full source. And these contain the same imagery, terrain, and vector data as local portable files. So if we go to the Somalia area, I'll demonstrate importing a source there, a streaming source. We'll go ahead and import this one here, call it Somalia. And then we see that it has read the source from the server and it is now streaming the data over here. And this source also contains vector data, so we can go ahead and turn on vector overlays and see what vector data it contains. There's all the layers there. Go ahead and enable all of them. And you could individually select which vector layers you want to enable or disable for viewing. Okay. Also, Jeep allows us to create new portable files from these streaming sources. And then these portable files then can be used to access the data when offline. So if we go to the Portables tab, we can create a portable file on the server. Say we have an area here in Mogadishu that we want to create from. We can find an area that we want to select. Let's see, say we want like this area here. We could select a polygon region there and then select all the detail we want. If you want the most detail, select level 23 and then create the portable. Yeah, I've got to put a name for it. Call this Mogadishu. And then it lets us know that it's creating it on the server. So we can go to the servers tab and see Mogadishu. And it's got a status of not downloaded. It's ready for us to download it. So we can go ahead, download, and auto import that portable. So server-side creation works asynchronously on the server. So this allows us to create big portables to run in the background without having to stay connected. It also allows easy sharing of those created files for other users of the server. Okay, there it has finished downloading and importing that source. So now we have that one selected, and we can see that's the main area that we have here selected. And within the Jeep plugin, we can also create portables on the client side. This is capability that Jeep on WinTAK has, so that instead of creating it on the server, it will be created directly on the client. But I hope that gives you a better idea of the capabilities that our Jeep plugin in TAK provides. Thank you for watching.